Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell books on Amazon. First, create an Amazon Seller Central account. You'll need to choose between an individual or professional selling plan. The individual plan has a fee of 99 cents per item sold, while the professional plan costs $39.99 per month, regardless of sales volume. Understand these fees to pick the best option for your business. Once your account is set up, it's time to list your books. Use the Amazon Seller app to quickly scan ISBNs, which populates most of the listing details automatically. Be sure to accurately describe the book's condition, noting any wear or damage. Then, set a competitive price by checking current market data for similar items to attract buyers effectively. Next, you'll decide on your fulfillment method, fulfillment by Amazon or FBA versus fulfillment by merchant FBM. With FBA, you send your books to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle storage, packing, and shipping. FBM means you store, pack, and ship each book yourself. Each option has different fees and levels of effort, so choose what suits your operation best. If you choose FBA, carefully prepare and label your shipments according to Amazon's detailed guidelines to avoid delays. For FBM, ensure you ship orders promptly, ideally within 2 business days, and provide excellent customer service to maintain a high seller rating. Regularly monitor your sales performance and inventory levels to keep your book-selling business thriving and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.